here to talk to you about this life insurance policy.
Oh, cool. Hey, did you see the debate last night, the presidential election debate?
Oh yeah, I thought that was really good. I think
Yeah?
I'm gonna go. I think I'm going with George Washington. Yeah, he's my guy. I think.
You sure?
Well, yeah, he
Well,
knows what he's talking about. I think he'd do good for our country.
I don't know. I mean, I know I've heard good things, but the agency, we're supporting Abraham Lincoln, so we've contributed to the campaign and everything, and part of the, you got to be a team player, man. We're behind Lincoln.
I don't know, man. He's not for the right stuff.
I don't know. I know Washington did good in those battles and all, but Lincoln, man, he's for the people. You need to go think about it. You let me know.
I mean, are you saying I have to vote for him?
I'm just saying that our agency supports it. You're gonna be on our team. We gotta all go the same
I don't know
way.
if I like that.
Well, we'll talk about it later. Let me look at this life policy. Hey everybody, Ronald Heyer here, Farmers Insurance Hire Insurance Agency. If you didn't get that, we're just having some fun there. Obviously, Lincoln and Abraham aren't, Lincoln and Washington aren't running for presidential election right now. But it brings up a very important topic. We call it EPLI, Employment Practice Liability Insurance. It's typically your business policy. As a business owner, you should certainly be aware of it. If you're a human resource manager, you should be aware of it. A lot of things get factored in under EPLI. Obviously, conversations between employees can, and they can be political like this just was. It can be religious. It can even be about your date last night, how it went, your relationship. And when your employees are talking about that, even though a direct conversation between two consenting employees, there's no problem. You could even have a third employee behind the scenes or even a customer that's offended, and you could be sued, and your EPLI could cover you if you were sued for that. But in our exchange here, where I was basically implying that my team member Michael had to vote the way that our agency was voting, that can also be considered EPLI, discrimination, harassment, and it would fall under your EPLI coverage. Things you may not know about though, as far as harassment goes, visual harassment. So Sports Illustrated just recently came out with their swimsuit edition. If an employee brought that into work and their other employees took offense to that, you could be at fault for that. You could have issues, you could have a judgment lawsuit. And then again, your EPLI would take care of that, helping to defend you. Then you could look at a matter of physical harassment. You as a manager or a leader, you may go up to another team member, touch them on the shoulder, pat them on the back. Hey, good job. Hey, we might need to improve on this, things like that. That could be construed as physical harassment and sexual harassment. So you need to be really careful in your business, how you talk to your employees, how you treat your employees, and your policies and the conversations that you allow and the behaviors you allow in your business. You can look at restaurants and bars and places like salons where you have clients that are interacting with your employees. If a customer, if a client harasses your employee, you could be sued because you put that employee in that position and then you didn't do anything to stop it or deter it. So even in that case, if you have the right coverage, again, EPLI, we can extend your protection for that. So there's a lot of little things that can actually come up that you may or may not be aware of that as a business owner, as a human resource manager, it's very important to have the proper business policy in place. One of the great things about Farmers Insurance and our business insurance and our EPLI endorsement, for certain levels, we will even include a virtual human resource department. By that, I mean there's a special website that you can go to and have access to documents, forms, templates, manuals, all these things that can help keep your business on track and have an HR department. There's even a toll-free phone number that you can call if you have questions to make sure that you're on the right track and they're not violating any state or federal laws and that you're being compliant as far as your human resource and things like that. And one last little thing to clarify too, even in your hiring and termination, discrimination, if somebody's too old, too thin, too short, too tall, overweight, different race, different religious background, all of those things, if you discriminate based off of those, can also result in a judgment for you. And again, another reason that EPLI could be completely unintentional. just not direct. It could be innocuous. It still could be construed and come back on you. So please make sure you protect your business. Contact your insurance agent, review your policy, make sure you're protected. If you're not, we're always here for you. Ronald Heyer, Michael Shepard was my partner in crime here in the video. I have some more team members here in our office. We're all here to help. We'll gladly review your policy, and then if you'd like us to present a competitive quote, we can certainly do that for you as well. Thank you for your time. Make it a great day. Stay tuned for more videos, guys.